individual elements which relate the company's history. Here lie the parts from a 1958 Retrak. The mission, to render it drivable again, a rebuild with careful attention to detail.
So, nach der Demontage des Fahrzeugs. Now, after disassembling the vehicle and preparing it for the paint shop, it's time to take stock. Machen wir gerade eine Bestandsaufnahme.
This historic forklift carrying the name Retrak is supposed to be restored as close to its original condition as possible. The wear parts, however, present the team with a challenge.
Ein Rad ist komplett, hat sich von der
One wheel is completely gone, came off the rim. The inside, look there, is worn off.
ist abgearbeitet, also das können wir nicht.
So we can't repair it anymore. This wheel is completely gone.
Ja, der ist komplett hinne.
Decades of hard work leave a mark.
The battery and basically everything on the inside are totally, well, we can't use them anymore. The ignition lock is definitely broken. Someone already worked on that at some point.
Many of these parts aren't being made anymore.
Ich habe hier gerade noch so ein Teil.
Like this part I have here. That's a hose tensioner, and you can see it's broken in two, 3 places.
An zwei Stellen gebrochen.
Even if a lot of this stuff could still be used, it would be a lot to ask of these parts.
Ja, jetzt sind wir erstmal so weit, dass wir. We've been able to take stock and now we know what we're going to need. We're heading out to see if we can find replacements. Meanwhile, the vehicle is going to be sanded down and sent to the coating shop, where it'll be painted. Und es wird lackiert.
In Norderstedt, near Hamburg, Jungheinrich has been producing reach trucks and other vehicles since the 1960s. This region is the heart of forklift production in Europe. From here, forklifts are shipped out to all over the world. Constant evolution and adaptability are traits which characterize this Hamburg company, with the result being cutting-edge technology and a high degree of automation. However, hand craftsmanship, what is needed today? The classic forklift is being sanded by hand and then liquid coated in Jungheinrich yellow paint, the color from the early days of the company. The end result, a vehicle like new, reconditioned to how it was in 1958. Meanwhile, Frank and Mustafa are on their way over to the port in Hamburg. It's rumored there is a logistics company with a Retrak here, which could provide replacement parts. The vehicle isn't drivable, but it looks pretty good.
Ja, es scheint, dass das
It looks like this vehicle is for show only, an exhibition piece, and not intended to be driven or anything. The ignition lock is made out of plastic, pretty new. The wheels look like they were bought new at some point, and we should, without having to even think about take both wheels. No doubt about that. Otherwise, the hoses don't look bad either. The hoses could definitely be used for our vehicle.
für unser Fahrzeug verwenden. Aber das Ding ist komplett.
But this thing has been completely...
Das ist neu, das ist nachträglich. This is new, it was retrofit.
This was a retrofit.
Also auseinandergenommen haben sie.
They've taken this thing apart at some point. The vehicle has been bolted together, which I can see on those big thick nuts, and the nuts are all new.
Die Muttern sind alle neu.
Not much original about this, but can it serve as a source for replacement parts?
Komm einmal rum.
Come around here. You can see from this gap that the vehicle is bolted together, and here at this gap, we see how the vehicle comes apart. You can see it up here too.
Kann man auch hier oben sehen. Und ja, das Fahrzeug.
Yeah, this vehicle's condition is really worse than ours.
When you look down here, you can clearly see that there's also some overspray in there. The vehicle was simply painted on the outside. It wasn't taken apart or anything. Für unseren Zweck, it should work for our purpose, which is to strip it for parts. This is not really a candidate for being brought back to life for work again. Nicht mehr zu gebrauchen.
Overall, this is good news. Replacement parts have been found for refurbishing our legendary forklift.